Every Book of Mormon preserves remembered instead of numbered. The first Nephi 15:16 variant is noteworthy because the original manuscript reads, "They shall be numbered again," while the printer's manuscript reads, "They shall be remembered again," indicating a copying error introduced during transmission. The difference is not trivial, since numbered fits the covenant theme of Israel being counted, gathered, and restored among God's people, whereas remembered shifts the emphasis toward divine recollection rather than covenant inclusion. Biblical and Book of Mormon restoration language frequently employs the concept of being numbered among the house of Israel, making the OM reading contextually stronger. Despite manuscript evidence favoring numbered, every published edition continues to preserve the PM-derived reading remembered, leaving a scribal error uncorrected in the printed text.